Someone discovered peanut butter and jam. Her first time having peanut butter and jam, and she's literally devouring it. Is that good? You only got one hand here. You're sitting on my arm, and I can't zoom out, can I? There we go. A little bit better. Is that good? Oh, you eat that peanut butter and jam. Hell with the toast. Just get the peanut butter and jam, huh? Oh, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Don't drop it, Molly.
Oh, Molly's got her piece up there, too.
I think all our pets are...
Oh, yes. That's good.
Sam, you're really behind.
Oh, I know. She got another piece.
That started like 2 minutes ago.
Yeah. Well, that's internet for you. You're dropping it all. Man, you look so good now. You lost a lot of weight, baby girl. Yeah. Just that purr. Sorry, little sweetie. I wonder if she likes applesauce. Do you want to try some applesauce?
I'll wait until you finish.
She's not going to let this go until there's no more peanut butter on it. She's got to get it from between her toes.
Gross.
What?
Like toe jam.
Toe jam. No, it would be toe butter.
Toe butter.
Toe butter.
You want some?
Toe butter.
Nope.
There's no more left. Look at, she's pulling it all apart looking for it. Look at, there it is. Last bit. You got it going from ear to ear now. You do. Oh. What was that?
Applesauce.
Applesauce. You're getting so spoiled. Look at the look on her face. Oh, here's that purr. You gonna try some more?
Nope. You don't like it?
Oh, I'm gonna be wearing it soon if she don't like it. Alright, we gotta turn this off.